Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to set differentiated release conditions for assignments in Canvas using the Assign To settings. This allows you to control access and due dates for specific students or groups. Let's navigate over to Courses. Let's click Assignments. We can choose an existing assignment or create a new one. We want to go to Assign To, and here is where you can select individual students. You can set custom dates, availability windows, and once you make your selections, you can save. And then you can publish it. Canvas doesn't use the term release conditions like Brightspace, but this method gives you a similar level of control over access. Thanks for watching.